Hello everyone, I'm Frank and welcome to Learn How to Sudoku, where we take a very easy variant Sudoku puzzle and we break it down in detail so that you can learn how to Sudoku. Today's very easy puzzle is called Uzu ni Naru and it's by Arctan. And here are the rules. We have normal Sudoku rules apply, where digits along an arrow add up to the number in the circle. And arrows, sorry, what happened there? I didn't explain normal Sudoku rules. Okay, normal Sudoku rules apply, which means in every cell in the grid, place a single digit from 1 through 9, such that there are no repeats in any row, column, or designated 9-cell region. We have digits along an arrow add up to the number in the circles, and arrows may share circles. In that case, each arrow must separately add up to the number in the circle. So, for example, you could have something like, say, 1, 3, and 4 here, and then 2 and 6 here, and they would both add up to 8, therefore making this circle an 8. So this is an example of how arrows work, and multiple arrows adding up to the same digit, how they work. And those are all the rules. If you like to play along, there's going to be a link in the description. And now, I'm going to get started. Let's learn how to Sudoku. Okay, so these two digits is equal to 2 times the sum of, 2 times this digit is equal to the sum of these 5 digits in this row. Same with these 5 digits in his column. Well, to add up to that, it's specifically, the minimum is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And that is 15. 2 times 7 is only 14. So 7, it can never be a digit here. Same with this, right? Because again, these add up to at minimum 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which is 15 at minimum. And so therefore the minimum that this digit can be has to be 8, which is 8 times 2, which is 16. Because 7 times 2 is too small to be what these can add up to. So this has to be 8 or 9, and this has to be 8 or 9, which eliminates 8 and 9 in the rest of the box. Therefore, these cannot be 8 or 9, but these are the sum of 3 unique digits. The sum of 3 unique digits is at minimum 1 plus 2 plus 3, which is 6. So this has to be 6 or 7, and this must be 6 or 7. That means these 3 digits are either 1, 2, 3 or 1, 2, 4, which means we're guaranteed a 1 or 2 here, and this must be 3 or 4 here, because it's with 1 or 2 guaranteed. So this is 1, 2 as a pair, this is 1, 2, 3, 4 as a triplet. So therefore, this cannot be 1 or 2 here. We are guaranteed this is 3 through 6. These have to be either 1, 2 with 6, 1, 2 with 5, or it could be 1, 5 with 3. It could be 2, 3, or 4. Anyways, remaining digits in row 7, because this is a 1, 2, 3, 4 quadruplet, means they have to be 5 through 9. So we have 5 through 9 here. This digit must add up to this digit here, so this cannot be 7, 8, or 9. So it has to be 1 or 2 here with the 5 or 6 there. So similarly here, this can't be 1 or 2, but this could be 3 through 6 here. So then we could have 1 through 4 here, potentially. These 5 digits either add up to 18 or they add up to 16. If it's 16, they would eliminate, it would have to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, because those are the only 5 unique digits which can add up to 16. But that would eliminate all possibilities for this cell here, if that were the case. So this cannot be adding up to 16. It must add up to 18. So this is 9, which makes that 8. And again, this must be 1, 2, 3, 4, and 6, adding up to 16 here. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. But to add up to 8 with 2 unique digits out of that set, it has to be 2 and 6, which eliminates 2 and 6 in the rest of the row. That means this has to be 5, 7, 8, 9. This is 5, 7, 8, 9, 5, 7, 8, 9, 5, 7, 8, 9. The only digit which can be here, adding up to 9, is 5 with 1 and 3 here. So this must be 5, and we have 1 and 3 as a pair here, which eliminates 1 and 3 in the rest of the column. So no 1 or 3 here. This adds up to 9 without 1, 3, or 5 available. So it has to be 2 and 7 here, which eliminates 2 and 7 in the rest of the column. So this can't be 2. This is 4. That means this must be 1, 2, and 4, adding up to 7. So this is 7 here. This is 6 here. This can't be 4. It's 3. This is 1, 2, 3, adding up to 6. 3 eliminates 3 here, so it's 4, which means this can't be 4 here. This can't be 3 or 4, and it's less than 6, which makes this a 5. So 5 and 1 add up to 6 here. 1 eliminates 1 here, so it's 3 and 1. 7 eliminates 7 here, so it's 2 and 7. This can't be 7 because of 7 in the column. This can't be 6 or 8 because of 6 or 8 in the column. 5 eliminates 5 here, and this can't be 8. So this has to be 7 or 9 here. Remaining digits of column. This can't be 9 because of 9 in the column here. Where is the 9? Well, no, that's not true. Never mind. Remaining digits of column 7. We have 6, 8, and 9, and this cannot be 8 or 9 here because of 8 or 9 in the row. So this is 6. This must be an 8, 9 pair here. 6 is either 1, 5 adding up together or 2, 4 adding up if it's 2 unique digits. And we already have a 2 in the box, so this must be 1, 5. 5 can't be here because of 5 in the row. So this makes this 1 and 5 here, which eliminates 1 here, so that's 2 and 1 there. Okay. Remaining digits of column 3 are 6, 7, 8, 9. And this cannot be 6, 8, or 9. So therefore, this is 7. This can't be 6 because of 6 in the row here. So this is 8 or 9 here. Again, 6, 8, 9 here. 6, 8, and 9 here. What's the minimum these two digits can be? Well, you can't have 1, 3, and 4. So that's minimum 2 and 5, which add up to 7 at minimum. So this can never be 6 here. Which means, where's a 6 in column 3? It has to be here. So this is 6. So can you ever add up to 8 anymore here? If you have 8 here, it would be 1, 7, 3, 5, or 2, 6, but 1, 3, and 6 are already in the box, which eliminates all of those possibilities. So this cannot be 8, it's 9. Which makes this 8. The only pair in here that adds up to 9 now is 2 and 7. So this is a 2, 7 pair. These add up to 8 without 1, 7, or 5, so this must be 2, 6 as a pair to add up to 8. And 6 eliminates 6 here, so this is 2, which makes this 6. 2 eliminates 2 here, so it's 7 and 2 there. No longer having a 6 available here. This can't be 7 because of 7 in the column. Remaining digits in this upper left-hand box are 5 and 8. This digit cannot be 1 or 2 because of the 1, 2 pair in the row. So this is at least 3, and it has to go up to 7 at most because this can be 8 at most here. That means this digit can be 1 through 5 at most, because 5 and 3 add up to 8 at most there. This is to add up to 8, it would be 3 and 5. To add up to 9, it would be 3 and 6. So we're guaranteed this is one of these two digits on this arrow is a 3. Which leaves the remaining digits in this box as 5, 6, and 7. Because we have an 8, 9 pair in the box, and we can't have 3 there. So 5 here eliminates 5 in the rest of the column. 1 can't be... Where is 1 in the central box? Can't be here because of 1 in the row. Can't be here because of 1 in the row here, so 1 has to be here. Remaining digits, 5 can't be here. Where's 5 in this box then? It has to be here. So this 5 eliminates 5 here, so it's 6, which makes this 2 and 6. To add up to 7 here, this must be 6 and 1. 1 eliminates 1 here, so it's 2 and 1 here. So no 1 here, no 6 here. No 5 here because of 5 in the column. 6 eliminates 6 in the rest of the row. So this is either 5 or 8 here. Well, 7 can no longer be here because 1, 2, and 7 at minimum add up to 9. So this has to be 3 or 4. And to add up to 5, it would have to be 2, 3, and 5 here. 2, 3 adding up to 5. To add up to 8, it would have to be 3 and 5 here. So either way, this is going to be a 3. So this is 3, which eliminates 3 in the rest of the row. And so where's 3 in this lower right-hand box? It has to be here. So this is 3. This obviously can't be 3 here. We know this is either 2, 3 adding up to 5 or 5, 3 adding up to 8. So we're guaranteed one of these two is a 5, which eliminates 5 in the rest of the box. So this cannot be 5. We now have a 7, 9 pair in column 4. That means, and these digits remaining in the central box are 2, 3, and 4. This can't be 2 or 3 because of 2, 3 in the column. So this is 4. This is 2, 3 as a pair. 2, 3 as a pair, which leaves the remaining digits in row 5 as 8 and 9. 8 can't be here because of 8 in the box. So that's 9. That's 8, which eliminates 8 here. Where is 8 in row 3? It can only be here now. So this is 8. Remaining digits in this left central box are 3 and 4. This can't be 3 because of 3 in the column, so this is 4 and 3, which leaves the remaining digit in row 6 as a 9. 9 eliminates 9 here, so it's 7 and 9. Remaining digits in row 4 are 3 and 4, and this can't be 3 because of 3 in the column, so that's 4 and 3 there. This is 9, so 2 digits add up to 9 here. Where is the 9 in column 5? Can't be here because of 9 in the box, so 9 has to be here, which means this can't be 9, that's 7. There's no 7 here. 9 eliminates 9 here, so it's 8, which makes this 9, and 8 is the sum of 3 and 5 together. And this can't be 5 or 7 because 5 or 7 in the column, so this is 6, which makes that 7. Remaining digits of column 5 are 7 and 8. And if 7 were here, 7 could only add up to 9 with 2, but we already have a 2 in the box. So this is 8 and 1, which makes this 3 and 1 there. 8 eliminates 8 here, so it's 5 and 8. That leaves this as 7 here. This can't be 8 because of 8 in the column. This can't be 5 because of 5 in the column. 9 eliminates 9 here, so that's 5, which makes this 8, which makes that 9. 8 is the sum of 3 and 5 then together. Remaining digits of this lower central box are 2 and 4. This can't be 2 because of 2 in the row, so that's 4 and 2 there. 2 eliminates 2 here, so it's 3 and 2. And let's just figure out the last digits. We have 9 ones. We have 8 twos, so we know where the last 2 is. It's there. We have 8 threes. We know where the last 3 is. It's there. 4s. Where's 4 in column 9? It has to be here. Where is 4 in row 2 then? Can't be here because of 4 in the box, so 4 is there. And we have 8 4s, so we know where the last 4 is. It has to be there. We have 8 5s. That means the last 5 is there. We have 6s. Where is 6 in column 1? It can only be here. And then we have 8 6s, so we know where the last 6 is. It has to be there. We have 8 7s. The last 7 is there. We have 8 8s. The last 8 is there. We have 8 9s. The last 9 is here. And that's how you solve it. Yeah, it flowed very well throughout. Granted, I am very familiar with these situations, with particularly these 5 digits being in the same row or same column, having to add up to at least 15, which does restrict where what these digits can be, right? And since these are the sum of 3 unique digits, that restricted things a lot there. I don't know, it just flowed very well throughout, I felt. So nice little puzzle, actually. Yeah, I'm not sure what else to say about this. It is something that if you've done a lot of these type of Sudokus with arrows or like even killer cages, it becomes almost second nature to you to like be able to immediately spot, okay, this has to be adding up to 5 unique digits, which is going to be at least 15. And therefore these digits have to be 2 times those digits have to be greater than 15 or greater. And so that limits what those digits can be. But anyways, I hope you enjoyed this episode of Learn How to Sudoku, and I'll see you next time on Frank Puzzles. Take care.